for sequences, there are two types. There are geometric and they're arithmetic. Arithmetic. Okay. Geometric means that you divided or multiplied. So you multiplied or divided. Arithmetic means that you added or subtracted. In terms of what goes with geometric, geometric is always going to be a common ratio. And arithmetic is always going to be a common difference. And we will talk about what those things mean. All right, so here's some examples. Example 1. All right, so let's say they give us this. 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay? They're going to ask us, is it geometric or is it arithmetic? What you need to do is you need to decide what the pattern is between both of them. So 3 plus 2 gives me 5. 5 plus 2, 2 gives me 7. 7 plus 2 gives me 9. So that's the pattern. So this is, since it's addition, it's arithmetic. Okay, the common difference, right, because arithmetic are always differences, so the common difference is plus 2. And then they're also going to want us to write a variable expression. So a variable expression, all it tells us to do, expression, is it's the next number plus 2, right? Everything is the last number plus 2. So x plus 2. They could also ask us for the next 3 numbers in the sequence. And all you do is say, okay, so this is plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. Those are my next 3 sequences, or my next 3 numbers in the sequence. Let's try another one. 34, 31, 28, 25. All right, so if I first start by adding and subtracting. So 34 minus 3 gives me 31. 31 minus 3 gives me 28. And 28 minus 3 is 25. So I definitely have a pattern. All right, if I add and subtract, it's arithmetic. Okay. My common difference, right, because adding and subtraction is negative 3. You could also see it as plus a negative 3, but it's just negative 3. My expression is n or x, whatever variable, x minus 3. And then my next 3, 1, 2, 3. So I would say minus 3. 25 minus 3 is 22. 22 minus 3 is 19, and 19 minus 3 is 16. Here's another one. Here. 2, 6, 18, 54. Okay, I started by adding and subtracting. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So that obviously doesn't work. So it's not going to be an arithmetic. So now I check to see if it's a geometric. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. And sure enough, 18 times 3 is 54. So I take so this is geometric. Okay, my common ratio is times 3. My expression is any number times 3. You want to write that as 3x. And then I need to find the next 3 in my sequence. So let's say 1, 2, 3. 54 times 3 is 162. 162 times 3 is 486. And 486 times 3 is 1,458. Next one. Let's see. 7, 8, 10, 13. Okay. So I start by saying, okay, 7 plus 1 gives me 8. 8 plus 10 is plus 2. So it's not an arithmetic. So now I go back to see if I can multiply. I can't really multiply anything times 7 to give me 8. So if I can't add and I can't multiply, it's neither. So it is not a sequence. Not sequence. That's a sneaky one. And last example. Let's do 20, 10, 5, Okay, so I start by saying, okay, 20 and 10, that would be subtract 10. 10 minus 10 would give me 0, so that doesn't work. So then I try to see if I can multiply or divide anything. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So it's geometric. The common ratio is going to be divided by 2. Now listen, this is careful, or this is sneaky. Common ratio, we want to write it as a fraction. So dividing by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. We'll talk more about that in class, but this is technically the right answer. Multiply by 1/2. The way that we would write our expression is we would say, okay, the variable is x over 2, because we take every number and we divide it by 2. And then I would go ahead and say, okay, divide by 2 is 5/2, or 2.5. Divide by 2, let's see. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart at the end of the day. So 5/2 divided by 2 is 5/4. And divide by 2 would give me 5/8. Okay? All right, here are your practice problems. Okay, for each one, you need to tell me if it's arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So that's the first thing you need to do. You need to tell me what the common difference or the common ratio is. You need to write an expression. And then you need to give me the next 3 numbers in the sequence. Okay, here are your problems. 4, 7, 10, 13. 2, 4, 8, 16. 19, 29, 39, 49. 5, 10, 20, 40. 27, 9, 3, 1. 64, 55, 46, 37. And last one. 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. All right, have those ready for tomorrow.